Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha Hayes, educator, parent, and founder of Beyond the Screen Families. Over the past 20 years in education, as a teacher, principal, and director, and as a parent, I've seen how powerful a calming space can be for children's learning, focus, and confidence. That's why I'm so excited to introduce the Portable Calming Corner from S&S Worldwide. It's designed for PK through 5 students and is perfect for classrooms, after school programs, or even the playground. Because it's portable, it's an easy, ready to go solution, especially for schools and programs that don't have the space for a permanent calming corner. So let's take a look inside. Everything comes neatly packed in a storage container, making it effortless to transport and set up wherever it's needed. At the heart of this kit is a tent, a cozy, private space where children can step away to reset, regulate their emotions, and return ready to learn. Inside, you'll find an emotion wheel to help kids identify their feelings and a weighted pillow that provides sensory comfort to reduce stress and calm their bodies. There's also a fidget pack for tactile engagement and a rainbow timer that guides students through calming activities, helping them build independence and self-management skills. The breathing boards lead kids through simple mindfulness exercises, and the earmuffs create a quieter environment for those who need it. And for the constructive play, the building bricks give kids something hands-on to do while channeling energy in positive ways. What makes the Portable Calming Corner so special is its flexibility. It's not just a calming space. It can double as a dramatic play area, a literacy nook, or a creative building zone. And because it's portable, you can use it anywhere, in class, after school, or outdoors. This all-in-one toolkit empowers students to manage emotions, strengthen coping skills, and to return to learning with focus and confidence. It's practical and especially valuable for giving kids a safe, supportive space anywhere they need it most.